We're back with more breaking news coming in. Now we are being told that the ACB officials have left Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and while coming out, in fact, one of the officers spoke to my colleague Priyank and said that notice has now been given. Let's go across to Priyank. Is joining us live on the broadcast. Priyank, first of all, can you throw more light on, why were the officials there in the first place? Were they there to record Arvind Kejriwal's statement? Were they there to just submit notice?
Our viewers need to understand this is a high priority case for the ACB because only 24 hours before the counting would begin, there were allegations which was raised by the Aam Aadmi Party that there is an attempt of poaching. The complaint from the Bharatiya Janata Party regarding their name being dragged was given to the LG office. The LG office forwarded it to the ACB, and before the main culprits could have been booked to the task, the ACB officials were given this task and they wanted to come out to the conclusion. But their way was stopped because Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener of the party, did not come up before the investigating team. They were not going to threaten him. They were not going to, ask him anything which he did not wanted to. They were only there to take the response from Arvind Kejriwal to tell the name of the 16 MLAs who have been getting these kinds of complaints so that the ACB officials can go till the extent that who are these individuals who have been threatening him. But now Aadmi Party has come up with a legal response. I'm joined by Isha. Isha, the lawyers have also come out. What are they saying after the ACB team serving notice to Arvind Kejriwal has left from here?
Right, definitely there is a lot of back and forth that is taking place. The legal team came out all guns blazing at the BJP and also the ACB. They were stating that their responses were absolutely...
Did they agree for the notice or not?
They said that the notice has been served.
Okay,
but
there you heard from Isha, the notice has been served.
All right, Priyanka and Isha, thank you very much for getting us the details. So a notice has been served. The ACB officials are left for now, but the investigation continues. With that, a quick break on the broadcast.